Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our operational period briefing for Umalag incident. Please turn off your cell phones so we will focus on the agenda. Thank you. So let's start with the objectives. First is to ensure the safety of the responders and the general public at all times within operational period. Conduct search and rescue for trapped victims at Barangay Masama within the operational period. Provide medical assistance for the injured victims. Conduct fire suppression at Barangay Maliit, Mapait, and Maliwanag. Provide evacuation at Barangay Masama within the operational period. Provide emergency needs at evacuation center to the affected families. Restoration of lifelines within the operational period. And to clear the debris from roads and areas to facilitate entry at Barangay Masama, Maliit, and Balaki within operational period. So to give us the current situation of the incident, may I call on our Operations Section Chief, Sir David.
Okay, good afternoon. Here's the current situation at Santa Caniaga. On the upper part of Santa Caniaga, there is a fire outbreak at 3 barangays. Barangay Maliwanag, Barangay Mapait, at Barangay Maliit. And also, we have a road blockage at Barangay Maliit. On the southern part of Santa Caniaga, there is also a road blockage at Barangay Masama. And also, there is some fatalities here at Barangay Masama. There is an injured person. May mga injured person na po dito sa Barangay Masama. Also, mga missing person. Okay? Yung power outbreak lang natin, wala pa rin. Yung communication, saka water and sewer lines damage. Ito pa yung mga situation ngayon. So that's all for now.
Thank you so much, sir. And for our weather forecast, may call on our meteorologist, Sir Edwin.
Good afternoon. Weather forecast issued by Pagasa this May 1720 XX, 1500 hours. The city of Tanyana will be experiencing sunny skies with only light to moderate winds coming from the northwestern part of the city of Tanyana. That's all.
Thank you, sir. And for the operational assignment, may I call on again our Operations Section Chief, Sir Edwin.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon again. Please prepare to your report to for your assignment list. Okay? For Task Force SRR, headed by Ariel Magallanes. Are you here? Okay? Task Force SRR, dito po kayo sa Barangay Masama. Okay? You will conduct search and rescue here at Barangay Masama. For the Task Force Medical Assistance, under the leadership of Mark Melalpes. Are you here? Okay. Sir, dito po kayo sa Barangay Masama. You will give medical assistance to the affected families of Barangay Masama. Okay, for the Task Force Fire Suppression, under the leadership of Alex Caceres. Are you here? Okay, sir. There's a fire outbreak at 3 barangays, Barangay Maliit, Barangay Mapait, at Barangay Maliwanag. You will conduct fire suppression here at 3 barangays. For the Task Force Evacuation, under the leadership of Nino Tolid. Are you here? Okay, sir. Dito po kayo sa Barangay Masama. Okay? You will conduct evacuation sa mga affected families. For the Task Force Relief, under the leadership of Arlene Solis. Are you here? Okay, sir. Dito rin po kayo sa Barangay Masama. Magbibigay po kayo ng mga emergency needs ng mga evacuees. Okay? Strike team restoration under the leadership of Jacinto Coriol. Are you here? Okay, sir. Kayo po ay nasa Barangay Masama po kayo dito. You will restore the power lines ng Barangay Masama. For the Task Force Clearing Operation under the leadership of David Janson. Are you here? Okay, sir. Dito po kayo sa 2 barangay, Barangay Maliit and Barangay Masama. Okay? I-clear nyo yung mga roads ng 2 barangay. That's all.
Thank you so much, sir. And for our safety reminders, may I call on our safety officer?
Okay, so good afternoon. For our safety procedures, please refer to our safety message plan IC Form 208. And in general, I just want to remind all of you that our top priority is the safety of all responders. So wear your complete PPEs properly, observe body system all the time, be aware of the potential hazards and threats, and stay hydrated, especially we'll have a sunny days during the operation. In case of any untoward incident that would require medical attention, please refer to our medical plan. That's all, and let's have a safe operation.
Thank you, ma'am. And for our logistics, may I call on our logistics section chief?
Thank you. For the logistics, the communication plan, ICS 205. For the channel 1, SR task force, here is the frequency is 111.00 with contact number 092588000918. And for the medical assistance, kayo yung channel 2, and this is the frequency 131.00 MXA. Then the contact number is 0951259871. Then the fire suppression 151.00. Then the contact number is 091716 488266. Then the other can refer the ICS 05. For the medical naman, for the medical, we have two teams. Dr. Mark Miralpes with the contact number 0951-5298-971, and Dr. J. Andaya 09506-991108. For the communication plan is 05, kaya ginawa natin itong mga frequency na to to avoid the codes or jargon words. Instead, use of clear words to understand word clearly. Then observe triple break to prioritize emergency communication. Then the medical plan for the severe patient, stabilize and transport to the hospital. For emergency and case bring and patient to medical and first aid at the station. If you, for the other resources and other needed, can you call me or just call for the 0977-214 and 7866 para sa other natin na mga resources para maayos natin yung operational review. That's all.
Thank you so much, sir. And for our finance, may I call on our finance section chief?
Okay, good morning. Good afternoon. With regards to our financial status, I can say that we still have enough fund to support our needs for this operational period. And my only request for the team leaders to please secure necessary documents, especially our official receipt for the liquidation purposes. And if you have any question regarding the financial status, you can contact me at 730-744-5150, or you can visit me at the CG. That's all, please.
Thank you, sir. And for our BIO, sorry.
Okay, good afternoon. For the information to the public, the incident updates first release 14 hotels, and the second release is 1,800 hotels. Then every 4 hours we have the updates of the incident. Now, if for the query, please visit me at the back of the incident command post at Barangay Malaki. Then you can call also the with the number of 0938-040-6618 for the specific information. So, pag-informasyon ang inyong inyong kailangan sa PI ko natin mo lumapit for this specific information. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And I call on our IC. I'm sorry, our liaison officer. For the cooperating agencies.
Good afternoon. I would like to thank AFP, PNP, local government, and local government for the support. And also, if there are NGOs who are willing to extend their support, you may contact me at 0915-420-5109. And also, I will be located at a staging area near Barangay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And for the last message, I call on our incident commander.
Good afternoon, everyone. Before we wrap up, as your IC, I would like to give thanks to all the commitment of our people and their professionalism. Remember, life safety is our top priority for both the public and the responders. We are one team and we are together in this. Let's stay focused, stay safe, and have a productive operational period. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Everyone, please make sure that we have the same time. It's 5:45 in the morning. You can now turn on your phones and let me provide you the breakout rooms. So for the task force at SRR, we'll be on room 201, task force medical 202, task force fire suppression 203, task force relief 204, strike team restoration 205, task force clearing 206, and task force evacuation 207. That's all. Thank you.